Are you gonna
Good, I'm not worried about
Amana microwave oven, and some other brands are Kenmore and Over the Range and GE.
Price range for microwave is $160 to $250.
Some features on the microwave is a defrost button, popcorn button, pizza button, which are all auto cook buttons. Some features shared by other appliances is a timer with minutes and hours and a light bulb.
Oh my god.
Microwave because it's fast and easy to heat up food from leftovers from last night. It's so quick and effective that you can spend time with the family more often. Best of the generation, care and cleaning is fairly easy and time consuming. Today with Chef Jacob to show us a recipe that you can cook in a microwave.
Hello. I'm here to show you how to make a chocolate mug cake. Welcome back. We already prepped our chocolate mug cake. And the ingredients in it are flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder, a pinch of salt, vegetable oil, milk, and peanut butter. In the microwave for 1 minute on high. And to put it on high, we click the number 1 button and the power level button, and you click start. Oh my god, it smells so good. And here is our final product. There you have it. What do you think about microwaves?
Microwaves are great.
What do you think about microwaves?
Oh, I love microwaves. They make the food so good and hot and so quick.
Mr. Sperduto, why do you think microwaves are so useful?
Microwaves are extremely useful for heating food, especially my morning coffee. Quick bite to eat. I just love them.
Amana microwave oven and some other brands.
On a microwave.
Because it is fast and easy way to heat up food, and I can't stare at this and
People want this microwave because it's fast and easy to heat up food and from leftovers from last night. Chef Jacob to show us.
Delete it.